Hi, and welcome to Industrial Surplus. We are back doing a video demonstration of an Okuma and Howa 4-axis CNC horizontal machining center. This machine was built new in 1999. It has approximately 9,700 cutting hours. Pallet size is 630 millimeter, which is 24.8 by 24.8 inches. X-axis travel is 40 inches. Y is 32.3, and the Z is 32.3, and it's a full fourth axis rotary table. 10,000 RPM spindle speeds. Cat 50 spindle nose. Fanuc 16M CNC control. It's capable of coolant through the spindle, but it does not have the system for it. It does have a separate, more of a flood type coolant system, the standard coolant system that would come with the machine. It's a 2-speed, heavy duty 80 position tool changer. 320 meters of memory. There's additional tool offsets, tool comp, memory C, and it's a 40 horsepower spindle motor. Currently wired for 440 volt. And where are we at with the program here? We have a program in here that we can run for you.
To warm up, it just does a couple of tool changes, runs all the axes, changes spindle speeds. Get everything warmed up.
About 2,500 spindle RPM right now.
Open the door so I can hear it better.
Okay. I'm sure if the alarm would go off. Here's the inside of the machine, pallet. While it's doing some movements, I will walk around and show you the rest of the machine. This is the front pallet loading station. This is the 80 position tool changer. It is exposed because the sheet metal guarding has been taken off. We took it off when we moved the machine and did not put it back on because we'll just have to put it, take it off again. So it is available, it's here, we do have it, and it's fully enclosed, protected, but just wanted to show you the pods. Back side of the tool changer. Back side of the ways. And you should have a cover for this door too.
That's where the actual tool changer cover goes from here.
Oh, I see. Okay, all right. Yeah. Wraps around the whole thing.
Yeah, that's huge.
You could probably catch the tool change happening.
It's designed to shuffle tools in both carousels, get both carousels moving.
Here you can see the coolant system for it under here. And I'll keep walking around. Hydraulic system, spindle air cooler, chiller. Not air, just the chiller. Got a self-contained 65 kVA multi-tap transformer. There's some of the electrics. Want to stop it and go, yeah, we'll bring it up through, do we have a tool?
I can just put one in. I'll grab one.
Alright, we'll put a tool in the spindle and we'll show you how the spindle speeds can come up to 10,000 RPM. Okay, we're back with a tool in the spindle and we're going to show you how the spindle sounds in all the way through the speeds. Where are we at now?
6,700, 3,000, 10,000.
Beautiful. Real nice. All right, that's the machine. It's ready to go. It's absolutely usable, and we have cutting hours. Yeah, the actual cutting hours now are at 9,669. So if you have any questions, please feel free to get back to us. We will be happy to help you. Thank you.